Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today. So today, you guys, we have an all-star job coming straight from Instacart. You guys, go put in your applications for Instacart because Instacart is hiring. This job is fully remote. It comes with full benefits, you guys, and it pays up to $265,000, you guys. This is such a life-changing job. You guys, go rewrite your resumes for this job. Those normal resumes will not do. This is an executive level position, you guys, and you need to have an executive level resume. You guys, go get the virtual resume rewrite session. That rewrite session is absolutely amazing, you guys. It is a no work, no think resume rewrite kit. It comes with all of your pre-written skills, all of the pre-written experiences. All you have to do is cut, copy, and paste, and you have a professional resume in under 10 to 15 minutes, you guys. And that's how great the resume rewrite session is, okay? So you guys, go get that resume rewrite session, rewrite your skills, rewrite your experience so that you can land this job. Sam is telling you everything you need to say. Coach Sam is coaching you through this. I'm telling you everything that you need to say to land this job. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session, and it is paid in full, you guys. So let's get into my shout outs of the day, you guys. My shout outs of the day are so wonderful, you guys. So we got Cassandra. So Cassandra used to be a home health care aide, you guys. A home health care aide. She used the virtual resume rewrite session to rewrite her skills and her experience. Y'all, she is making $178,000 as a program manager, okay? Use that rewrite session if you are transitioning careers. If you are transitioning careers, you are able to rewrite your skills, rewrite your experience. If you are new, if you're a student, use the rewrite session. It comes with all of your skills, all of your experience, everything that you need. We also got Mr. Robert. Robert makes $156,000, you guys. He's a project manager. And Gideon, I love that name, okay? So, Mr. Gideon, oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. He used to be a mechanic, okay? So he said he just got tired of it. He was watching the videos and he said he took a leap of faith. He got the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys, and he now makes $181,000, you guys. He makes $181,000 as a consultant for an automotive company, you guys. This is life changing. You guys, I am so proud of you guys who have got the resume rewrite session, rewrote your resume, and using it, you landed the job. I'm so proud of you guys. So let's get into the shout outs of the day, because the shout out of the day, you guys, well, not the shout out of the day, the inspiration of the day. So the inspiration of the day is, I will stand strong in the face of my trials, okay? I will trumpet in the face of my trials. I will keep going. I will, listen here, I'm amazing. I am special. I am resilient. I will keep going. And like I said, the inspiration of the day is a personal inspiration for me, because sometimes, you guys, I be wanting to quit too, but I will not quit. I will not quit because, you guys, I know for a fact that you guys are counting on me, and I'm coming out with the jobs, the resume kits. This is all for you guys. So I'm going to keep going. Y'all going to keep going, and we're going to land these six-figure remote jobs. So let's get into this six-figure remote job right now, you guys, and put in the comment box, like the video, put in the comment box, I will trumpet in the face of my trials. No matter what trial you are going through, I know you are so strong that you are going to beat that trial. So you guys, let's get right to the video right now. Let's go. All right, you guys. So you guys can read about Instagram. It says we're transforming the grocery industry. You guys can read up a little bit about Instagram, but we're going to get right into the job. So go down to Instagram is a flex first team, and we're going to go down to the second paragraph where they detail what they are looking for. These paragraphs are so important, you guys, because they detail exactly what the job employer is looking for. You guys, rewrite your resume. I'm going to tell you this because it's so important. Regular resumes will not do for these types of jobs. These are executive level management leadership positions. You have to have a professional resume. Go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys, where I have pre-written all of the information that you are going to say to this employer, okay? This is a no work, no thing, easy copy and paste virtual resume rewrite. When you use the rewrite session, you will have a professional resume within 10 to 15 minutes. Go get this virtual resume rewrite session, and it is paying for you guys. But let's get into the video. It says Instagram marketing analytics teams help the business set directions, surface opportunities for growth and efficiency, and solve the company's toughest cross functional problems. As a senior manager, marketing analytics, you will be the primary point of contact development for our leadership team on critical questions related to the performance and execution of our marketing strategies. So, what they're saying is you are going to be the point person, you are going to be the head manager, you guys. Regular resumes will not do for this job. Literally, this job is a life changing job. So you need a life changing professional resume, okay? Do not submit a resume that is not up to par for this job. Go rewrite your resume. Use all of the skills, the experience. Use everything that I give you. I even give you titles. I give you the bio. And I give you a template, you guys, to put it on. Literally in 10 to 15 minutes, you'll have a professional resume to apply for this job. But let's get into it. It says you will work with large data sets, conduct in-depth analysis, and translate finding into actionable marketing strategies. Leveraging your analytics expertise, you will collaborate with cross-functional teams to provide insights and recommendations that drive growth, enhance customer engagement, and optimize our marketing campaigns. Each week, you will bring a new set of projects and challenges where success is measured by data-driven outcome. You are a clear, confident communicator who loves taking a complicated problem, decomposing it, and building a compelling business case, okay? So they are looking for a leader in this job, okay? So they are looking for a leader. You guys, go rewrite your resume with the leadership skills that are included in the virtual resume rewrite session, okay? You need the rewrite session to apply for this job, okay? I am telling you everything that you need to say. It is already pre-written for you. Your skills is already pre-written, and the experience to match those skills are in the virtual resume rewrite session. You need to get it. Okay, so let's go to about the job. Let's go. Okay, so now we're at about the job. This is what they're asking you for, okay? It says lead quantitative research and analytics requiring complex data retrieval that results in compelling recommendations for our senior leadership team with the goal of driving strategic growth opportunities for marketing. Basically, all you're going to be doing is looking at the data. You're going to be researching the data. You're going to be looking at it, and you're going to be making recommendations. That is it. When I tell you this job is super simple, it's super easy. But like I said, a lot of times these jobs want to make the job sound harder than what it is. And that's why I am here, and I'm going to tell you exactly what they're asking for so you can put it on your resume, okay? It says work with our marketing team to analyze marketing channel and campaign performance and proactively recommend improvements to drive business outcomes. You see how they keep saying recommend? You are the boss in charge. So you are going to be recommending to them what they need to do. This is super simple, super easy. You need to, and that's why they are looking for leadership skills, okay? Use the leadership skills, use the experience in the virtual resume rewrite session because that virtual resume rewrite session will make it look as if you have already had the experience, okay? And you are transitioning your transferable skills from one job to the next if you are transitioning industries, you guys. It says design suitable solutions while persuading and aligning various stakeholders during change management. Develop a rigorous and detailed understanding of the P&L across multiple dimensions to understand critical revenue drivers. Basically, you're looking at the data, you're creating a detailed plan about how to drive revenue. It says identify and triage key questions, issues, and roadblocks facing the company using your business acumen and experience. Problem solving, you guys. Problem solving. All of this is located on the virtual resume rewrite session. All you got to do is copy and paste, and you're going to look like you have the experience. Once you get the virtual resume rewrite session, you are going to look like you've been in these positions before. That is what the virtual resume rewrite session is, you guys. It's basically rewriting your resume to make it look like you guys have already done this because that is what they're looking for. They're looking for someone who has already done this, okay? It says serve as the primary cross-functional liaison between Instagram's marketing, product, data science, and finance team. Manage a team of high-performing analysts and senior analysts fostering a culture of excellence. Basically, you guys, you're going to be leading the team. This job is super simple, super easy, okay? You are going to be the point person. You are going to be the team leader, okay? Go rewrite your skills. And most of this is the skills that you guys already have. The only thing that the virtual resume rewrite session is, if you already have those skills, it's going to enhance the skills. And if you don't have the skills, it's going to make it look like you do, okay? Go get that virtual resume rewrite session. It says about you. Now let's go to about you, and then we will go on to salary, you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now that we're here at the About You, it says 8 years of work experience in marketing, analytics, data analytics, or a similar role. Proficiency at SQL is required. Experience with GitHub, BitTools, and Python R is strongly preferred. Ability to deep dive into data, identify and quantify opportunities, a self-starter with the ability to quickly respond to problems independently and proactively, polished communication skills, and comfort working with internal and external stakeholders, including senior leadership. Proven track record of designing and implementing process improvement projects and improving business metrics. Ability to identify and develop business cases for strategic growth opportunities. A self-starter with the ability to quickly respond to problems independently and consider all stakeholder needs. Okay, you guys? All of that is included within the virtual resume rewrite session. Literally, I'm telling you guys exactly what you need to say to land this job. Okay? And it says one thing that I do want you guys to put on your resume is proficiency in SQL. That is required, okay? So have that in your professional development, okay, you guys? When I tell you, I'm telling you exactly what you need to put on your resume so that you are able to land this job. Now, let's get into what are they paying. Let's get into what they're paying. Let's go right now, you guys. All right, so now we are at the pay. So they pay by state, okay? So if you are in California, New York, it's Kentucky, or no, not Kentucky, it's Connecticut. I'm sorry. New Jersey, you are at 265,000. And it starts off at 239, you guys. It starts off at 239 and it goes all the way up to 265. If you are in some of the other states, it starts off at 180, 198, and it goes all the way up to 265, you guys. So get on this job. Get on this job right now, you guys. Two, this is literally one of those life-changing jobs. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session. I am telling you everything that you need to say, everything that you need to put on your resume. It is included into the virtual rewrite session. Y'all get to work, okay? Get to work. And that rewrite session is pay in full. Pay me later, but go out and go get your job, you guys, okay? You guys have such a blessed, amazing, wonderful day today, okay? But let's make this a productive day. You guys go get that virtual resume rewrite session and get to work. I will see you guys on the next video. Like and follow.